Hey, what is up my YouTube nerds? It's your coding bro here, Mondo Man Codes, bringing you part 3 of my programming in C and C++ series. In this video, we'll be going over the uses of the if statement and how we can use that to create a small program to decide if the number the user entered is a positive or negative number. Let's begin. Let's open up our Visual Studio here. Create a new project. Wait for all its things. Console app. Console application 3 is okay, or whatever you guys want, honestly. Create. Just wait for the files that needs to be created. Go. Loading. Alright. As always, we use using namespace D. Take out the whole requirement of that. Alright, so just leave that in there. Alright, so the basic if statement, code this out. Basic if statement is if and whatever you want it to check to see if it's true or false. Brackets. It's true. Code goes here. Want it to perform. And then afterwards performs whatever you have after. There's also else. So if this statement is true, it's code. Else. So if the statement is false, I'm going to do else code instead. Alright, so let's begin. So cout, enter, like, check if it's true, positive. Always int number. Just to keep it simple for today, just gonna go with int number, cn number. Actually, alright, so if statement, so if number greater than, less than, greater than 0, cout the number entered is positive, else, oh what bad, my typing game is, it's pretty bad today. Cout else the number is negative. Alright, let's check real quick. So Control F5, run it. Alright, enter the number you would like to check if it's positive or negative. Let's do 12. Number you entered is positive. Cool. Press any key to close this window. That so goes down one. into the number you'd like to check. Let's do -3. The number you entered is negative. It's just fine. Let's actually do something else. Let's actually do an if statement then an if statement, which you can do. So if statement, so if number greater than 0, the number you entered is positive. So if number is this, that checks to see if it's positive. Well, number you entered is sorry, just blanked out for a second. Else see out number number. Alright, so what this pretty much does is it divides it and then it checks to see if the remainder is a 0. Right? So it divides it by 2, check to see if the remainder is a 0. If the remainder is a 0, that's an even number. If it's not, odd. Right? Could do let's stick with just doing the positive numbers. Alright, Control S to save. Control 5. 12. Right. The number you entered is positive. The number you entered is an even number. Cool. Let's do it one more time. Let's do 13. The number you entered is positive. The number you entered is an odd number. Alright, so this code works like before. If statement is just, if, then have your statement there, brackets, and then your code to whatever you want it to perform, whatever you want your program to perform. Then there's the else statement. You don't have to have another statement. It's just if true does that type of code, else does the other code, just if that statement is false. Right? That pretty much wraps it up for this video. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to ask or comment down below or email me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. And remember, stay nerdy.